Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable full screen in split screen mode. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option advanced features, tap on multi window. Then here you can see the option full screen in split screen view. Turn on this option. Tap on this one. You can see hide the status and navigation bar so you can see more of each applications. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or down from the top of the show the hidden bars. Okay, so for this we need to enable the swipe for the split screen also. And after this one, first of all, you need to enable or open the split screen. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen using your two fingers. And you need to enable open any applications. Now you can see the status bar and also the navigation bar is also hidden. Now I am going to disable this option full screen in split screen view. Now you can see the status bar and the navigation bar is here. If you enable the full screen and split screen view, the status bar and the navigation bar is also hidden. So simply in this way we can enable full screen in split screen mode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.